Can you believe this high-protein breakfast comes together in just 10 minutes? First, prep your ingredients. Start by grating some cheese. Use any kind you like. I usually go for a low-calorie option, but if sharp cheddar is your favorite, go ahead and use it. Just stick to about 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. You'll get that rich flavor without going overboard on calories. For the veggies, I'm using green onions, tomato, and avocado for a pop of color and freshness. But feel free to use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Chop the green onions. Slice the tomato. And slice up the avocado. Next, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Or, if you want an even lighter, high-protein version, use 1 egg and 3 ounces of egg whites. Season with salt and pepper and set aside. And that's it for the prep. Pretty quick, right? Now let's cook. Heat up a non-stick pan. Normally I don't use any fat, but for this recipe we'll need just a bit to keep things from sticking. I used 2 grams of butter, just a light smear on the pan. Pour in the eggs. When the eggs set a bit, place the tortilla right on top. I love using a lower calorie tortillas. This one has just 60 calories and 5 grams of protein, compared to regular ones that easily double those numbers. After a couple of minutes, the eggs will set. Time to flip. Looks great, right? Now let's layer in the good stuff. Add 3 to 4 ounces of cottage cheese, my secret weapon. It's low in calories and adds a solid boost of protein. Top with diced tomatoes. A few slices of avocado. And a pinch of salt and pepper. Sprinkle over the spring onions and fold the tortilla over. Let it sit in the pan for another couple of minutes so the cheese melts and everything comes together. And that's it. In less than 10 minutes, you've got a high protein, low calorie breakfast that's healthy, satisfying, and seriously delicious. This is how you start your day right.